Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If your phone keeps opening the wrong messaging app, you can change the default SMS app easily. This helps when you want to use Truecaller or any other messaging app instead. To change the default SMS app, open Settings on your phone. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type default apps and search. Now tap on default apps from the results. Next, tap on Messaging app. Here, select Truecaller or any other messaging app you want to set as default. Confirm the selection if asked. Once selected, all SMS messages will open in the new app automatically. You do not need to change anything else. If you ever want to switch back, repeat the same steps. This works on most Android phones with small menu name differences. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone fixes and settings tutorials.